Sepang International Circuit (SIC) kicks off a month-long carnival for the 2011 Formula One Petronas Malaysia Grand Prix. Youth and Sports Minister Dato Sri Ahmad Sabri Cik launched the carnival at Pavilion KL Tuesday. He says Malaysia has been made proud by the involvement of many local firms in Formula One since pioneers Petronas.
3 tim yang dikaitkan dengan Malaysia, yang mana kita tidak boleh katakan ini sepenuhnya merupakan kereta Malaysia, tetapi tim yang dikaitkan dengan Malaysia adalah satu perkara yang banyak orang kata menakjubkan, tetapi ianya adalah merupakan sesuatu yang menggalakkan. Ini bermakna bahawa minat yang telah ditunjukkan oleh syarikat-syarikat Malaysia, keyakinan bahawa melalui Formula One kita dapat mempromosikan branding Malaysia, sama ada atas nama Petronas, nama Nazar, AirAsia ataupun Proton, melalui Lotus dan sebagainya. Ataupun yang paling penting sekali, nama Malaysia itu sendiri sebagai dianggap sebagai sebuah negara yang paling ke depan sekurang-kurangnya di rantau ini dari segi pembangunan motorsport, khususnya pada Formula One.
The second round of the 2011 World Championship will be the 13th time Malaysia has hosted the Grand Prix. SIC Chairman Dato Mogzani Tun Dr. Mahathir says the second race will be even more exciting as the drivers and teams will be more prepared.
The first race, they're still trying to figure out how the cars perform, how the teams perform, how the new drivers adapt to the new regulations, the new tires and all of that. And the real race will take place at Sepang International Circuit on the second race.
For Malaysian fans, the race would be unique as it is like the home race for 3 of the competing teams: Mercedes GP Petronas, the Proton-backed Lotus Renault F1 team and One Malaysia Team Lotus. Mogzani hopes the involvement of Malaysia in Formula One will see an increase in other areas as well.
What we want to see is from the 3 teams is to see real participation, real involvement of Malaysians. If you look at how the 3 teams have developed, Petronas has been in it for the longest period of time. We're now seeing their lubricants go into the car, and not just the racing car, the passenger cars. We want to see engineers getting involved in the development of whether it's the engine, the components, the systems, all of these things. That is, to me, at least more meaningful than having 6 cars on the grid, with Malaysia emblazoned on the side. We need to get our engineers prove that they have the talent, capability, experience to become and contribute to a real, being a real part of F1. That's very important to us.
Some of the exciting events prepared include the month-long GP sale and demonstrations by various teams in Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya. The Stylo Fashion Grand Prix will also return in the run-up to the race, creating the much-needed social prelude to the big race. Fans will also get the chance to catch Korean superstar Rain in Malaysia's first-ever open-air concert. With so many exciting events installed, the F1 fever is surely back in Malaysia.